Okay, let's implement this cosine similarity together. What we are going to do is first normalize x, normalize y, and then we're going to take the dot product between the two vectors. Normalized x is x divided by mb square root of mb sum x squared plus epsilon. And we're going to do the same for y. And after this, we're going to return mp dot and x and y. Very simple. We can use cosine similarity between the vector u and vector I. Cosine similarity between C0 and C1 is quite high, even though that corpus was quite small. This is quite okay, I guess. And the next function we're going to implement is a utility function, most similar. Given a query vector and word ID, word matrix, we want to find top 5 most similar words. And how can you do that? The first thing is we need to check whether we actually have query in our dictionary. If that is not the case, we're going to just say print, oh, I can't find this query. And then return. If that is not the case, you're going to find the query ID. And query vector from word matrix. Like this. And we need to calculate the vocab size. That is the length of ID to word. And we're going to calculate the similarity of all vectors against this query vector. So we need to construct MP0s, vocab size. Similarity by cost. Similarity. We're just calling this function basically. And word matrix I and query back. And after we calculate the similarity of all words compared to this query vector, we need to find the top 5 most similar vectors. And how can you do that? You're going to -1 times similarity because you're going to use argsort. And this argsort puts the smallest component at the front. We need to put -1 times here, okay? And if this ID to word is query, then it is meaningless. So we're going to just continue. If that is not the case, we're going to print ID to word I and similarity of I. And we increment count by 1. And if count is larger than top, we need to return. Okay. Okay, the next topic is PPMI. Let's implement PPMI together. PPMI receives the co-occurrence matrix and epsilon. And I'm going to show you one example. Given this co-occurrence matrix, this PPMI should return this PPMI matrix. Okay? So think about this on your own. And see you in the next video.